Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a yummy skin spring makeup look using all Danessa Myricks products. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off with the Danessa Myricks Barrier Boost Plumping Serum. Guys, this is a really good base product to hydrate your skin, especially if you're dry skin. This is very nice and hydrating and plumping. So I love that this is such a good starter product just to prep your skin before makeup. So you guys are seeing here, I'm just blending that out. Love how this just makes my skin feel. All right, so let's move on to the next product, which is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum. Now, this is going to control your oils. So if you're someone who is combination or oily skin, this is what you want to do. You want to apply it in the areas where you get oily. So for me, that is my T-zone area. Now, I like to focus especially on my nose and just the sides of my nose, my forehead as well. Next, I'm going in with my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. This is in the universal shade, and this is just going to help blur and even out pores. It also does help with oil control as well, so this is just another protection in the oil department. Now I'm going in with the Yummy Skin Serum along with the Yummy Face Brush. And this is what's going to be our base today and just kind of get us to one even skin complexion. Now this is a skin tint, so you can see how it goes on. It's very lightweight. It's not going to give you coverage. So if you're looking for something that's going to give you a lot of coverage, this is not it. This is going to give you a very natural finish. So you're still going to see little imperfections or even darkness peeping through with this product. Next, I'm going in with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer, and we're just going to do some concealing. So I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes. I have very dark under eyes, and I'm taking my e.l.f. Concealer brush, or this is the Ultimate Blending Brush, and just blend out that concealer. And I'm pretty much just doing what I normally do, guys. So underneath my eyes, I'm going to also later on apply it to my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. You guys are going to see in a second. But this is just going to really brighten up the look. I did do my eyelids as well, just to get everything of the same complexion. I do suffer with darker eyelids, so just concealing that really helps bring the whole look together. All right, like I said, so down the bridge of my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, and chin. And I didn't take a lot of that product, guys. A little goes a long way. I just really wanted to highlight and brighten those areas per se, not really conceal, if that makes any sense. I just wanted to kind of brighten up the face. So now I'm going in with the Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Powder Flushed. This is in the shade Grape Soda, and I'm pairing that with the e.l.f. Liquid Blush Brush. And this is just going to add some color back to the skin, give us a nice spring blush finish. Really been loving my purple, my pinky purple blushes, guys. So I went in with this Grape Soda shade, and I really love how it complemented the whole makeup look. All right, we're gonna set with some Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder. This is in the shade Blondie. Before setting, guys, always blend out, and then you wanna take that powder and just press it into the skin until it disappears. And I'm really just focusing this powder in all the areas I applied that concealer. And this is just what's going to really lock in that makeup so that it's not disappearing throughout the day. So now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. We're going to bring back some warmth to the skin. You guys know this already. Hot weather, warm weather is coming, so grabbing a bronzer really just helps to give that nice bronzed finish to the skin. And you don't need to be precise with your bronzer, guys. A nice sweep in those specific areas really brings the look together. And then taking my smaller angled brush, I just wanted to contour my nose a little bit. So you can see here that I'm just really brushing that along the sides of my nose to give the illusion of a more, I guess, chiseled nose. So this part is actually optional. You don't have to do this. So now I'm going in with my CoverGirl Baked Blush, and I'm pairing that with my Real Techniques blush brush, and we're just going to go over that Danessa Myricks blush to set it. Same tone and everything. You just want to lightly pack that powder on to set your blush. But I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup to show you guys the finishing look and the last step, which is your setting spray. So I'm going in with my Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Setting Spray. This is mattifying, and this is going to just lock in this makeup. And you guys cannot tell me this is such a beautiful, natural spring makeup look. Love, love, love how it came out using, of course, the majority of Danessa Myricks products. So this is the finishing look. As you can see, it's still very natural. We didn't do too much, but we did just enough. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. What is your favorite Danessa Myricks product? And that is about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.